Hi, today we are going to discuss about the topic mole concept. It is simple concept, but we need to take little care while handling the problems of mole concept. We know one pair means two, one dozen means 12. As the same manner, we need to express the number of smallest particles like atoms, molecules. We need a term. The term is known as mole. Because we know even small gram can have a huge number of particles of atoms are present in it. To express the smallest invisible particles, we need a huge term to denote its number, that is mole, or simply the amount of substance can be represented in mole. We know that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. The particles may be atoms, ions, molecules, electron. It is just a number. 1 mole means it is just a number. That is 6.023 or 22 into 10 raised to 23 particles. That can be a number only. It may be atoms, it may be electrons, it may be ions. Okay, so as like one pair, we know in your mind when we hear the name one pair means 2, and the same manner 1 dozen means 12, and the same manner 1 mole means 6.022 to 10 raised to 23. So in your mind, 1 mole, always in your mind 6.022 to 10 raised to 23. We familiarize the term mole. Mole day. 23rd October is celebrated as the International Mole Day every year. 23rd October is celebrated as the International Mole Day for every year. This 23rd is for the representation of this time, power, and 10 is for October. So that's about the basic idea regarding mole concept. And what is mole? It is a term we use it to represent the smallest particles like atoms, molecules, ions, and electrons and protons, etc. Now we are going to through the detailed description regarding mole. Okay, detailed description regarding mole. You know, atomic mass. You know the term atomic mass. You know the simple term atomic mass. What is atomic mass? What do you mean by atomic mass? It is a mass of an atom. Normally, atomic mass we normally denoted by the small letter u, unified mass. And we all know the atomic mass of an element is based on carbon 12 atom. To compare the carbon 12 atoms mass, we say the atomic mass, and its unit is U, unified mass, its full form. We know the common atomic masses of elements: hydrogen having atomic mass 1, oxygen 16, nitrogen 14, then sodium 23, chlorine 35.5, everything is in U, and sulfur 32. That's about the atomic mass of some common elements. These are the atomic mass of some common elements. Then if we represent, we know that the atomic mass is based on carbon 12 isotope. Carbon 12 isotope. If we express this atomic mass, if we express in gram, if we express the atomic mass of elements in gram, we can call it as gram atomic mass. Suppose when we express this atomic mass of the components elements in gram, we can call it as gram atomic mass. 1 gram hydrogen, 16 gram oxygen, and 14 gram nitrogen, and 23 gram sodium, and same 35.5 gram chlorine, and 32 gram sulfur. When we express the atomic mass of element in gram, we call it as gram atomic mass. So, if we take the mass of the element as equal to its gram atomic mass or atomic mass, if you take the element as equal to the gram atomic mass of that particular element, we can call it as it has 1 GAM. I explained in detail. If you take 1 gram of hydrogen, if we take 1 gram of hydrogen, it should have a 1 gram atomic mass. If we take 60 gram oxygen, it should have a 1 gram atomic mass. Simply, we can elicit out a term. If we take the mass of a particular element is equal to its atomic mass, it should have a 1 GAM, 1 gram atomic mass. If we take an element mass which is equal to its gram atomic mass, if we take an element which has mass which is equal to the gram atomic mass, it has 1 GAM mass. If it has 1 GAM, it should have a 1 mole of atom. 1 mole of atom. It should have a 1 mole of that particular atom. That means 1 GAM of hydrogen should have a 1 mole of hydrogen atom. 1 GAM of oxygen indicated that it should have a 1 mole of oxygen atom. It should have a 1 GAM of nitrogen, it should have a 1 mole of nitrogen atoms. So, now you can go through the mole concept of atoms or find out the number of mole of atoms. Let us see a question to find out number of mole atoms. Number of mole atoms. See, question. Find number of atoms lithium in 21 gram of lithium. A simple question. Find the number of atoms of lithium in 21 gram of lithium. We know the atomic mass of lithium is 7. The atomic mass of lithium is 7. Then we need an equation to find out the number of mole atoms. This is the equation to find out number of mole atoms. Number of mole atom. So very important equation. The number of mole atom to find, we requires the number of mole atoms. Okay, to find out number of mole atom, there is an equation. Given mass, to find out the number of mole atom, there is an equation. Given mass divided by gram atomic mass. So number of mole atoms is equal to given mass divided by gram atomic mass. Number of mole atoms is equal to given mass divided by gram atomic mass. To find out the number of mole atom, you should divide the given mass divided by gram atomic mass, or GAM. So we know the atomic mass of lithium is 7. So 7 is GAM, gram atomic mass of lithium. 7 gram is the gram atomic mass of lithium. So we can do the problem. Number of mole atoms is equal to given mass. In the question, the given mass of lithium is 21. So 21 divided by GAM. What is GAM? Gram atomic mass of lithium. That is equal to 7. So we will get 3. Number of mole atoms of lithium is number of mole atoms 3. Number of 3 is the number of mole atom. So we know that the answer is 3 mole atom. 1 mole is equal to, we know that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That means 3 mole atom is equal to 3 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. So this is the total number of lithium atom. First of all, you find the number of mole atom. From the value of number of mole atom, how can we calculate number of mole atom? The given mass divided by GAM of the corresponding element, that should be equal to its atomic mass. So we got 21 divided by 7 here. So 3 moles of atom, or 3 number of moles of atom. So 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So 3 mole of atom means 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 lithium atoms. That's about the equation and the problem explanation to calculate number of mole atoms.